the city lights. You guide our children, you shine so bright. With every lesson, every word you say, you plan tomorrow in the hearts today. You carry hope through the rain and sun, teaching every daughter, every son, with patience, wisdom, love so true. Africa grows because of you. You lift us higher, show us the way, building our future day by day. Every dream begins to grow from the seeds that you sow. African teacher, standing tall with pride. You're the light that we carry deep inside. With a book and a smile, you open every door, teaching us to dream forevermore. African teacher, your legacy will remain like sunshine after every rain. History lives inside your voice. You teach us wisdom, you give us choice. Respect and courage, hand in hand. Together we rise across this land. Every classroom tells a story. Every child can reach for glory. Knowledge is a river flowing free, unlocking endless possibility. One lesson today, a nation tomorrow, turning hope into joy from sorrow. The future is brighter because you believe, showing us all that we can achieve. African teacher, standing tall with pride. You're the light that we carry deep inside. With a book and a smile, you open every door, teaching us to dream forevermore. African teacher, your legacy will remain like sunshine after every rain. Bless every teacher across the land, guiding the future with a loving hand. From Cape to Cairo, let the voices sing. Education is the greatest thing. Oh, African teacher, forever we'll remember your name. Yeah, yeah. Whoa. Rise up. Another sunrise, another chance. Time to move, time to advance. Leave the doubts upon the shore. Open up a brand new door. Feel the rhythm in your soul. Every heartbeat makes you whole. Step by step, don't turn around. New beginnings can be found. yesterday. Let your spirit find its way. Every mountain can be climbed with a hopeful heart and mind. Break out, break out. Let your light shine all around. Break out, break out. Stand your feet on solid ground. One love leading every stride. Hope and courage by your side. Winds may blow and rains may fall, still we answer every call. Through the valleys over hills, faith and kindness stronger still. Share your blessings, lend a hand. Together we can heal the land. Every dream begins to grow when we let our true hearts show. Let the reggae rhythm roll, lift the body, free the soul. Every voice can sing as one underneath the same bright sun. Hey, break out, break out. Leave the fear and walk in peace. Break out, break out. Let the joy and laughter increase. From the mountains to the sea, love will be our victory. Rise up. Oh yeah, yeah. Rise up now. No chains can hold me. Break out. I was walking through the valley in the pouring rain, carrying yesterday with a pocket full of pain. Then I heard a whisper blowing in the breeze. Lift your head up high and believe. The walls around me started falling down. Hope came alive without a sound. Every sunrise paints a brand new way. I'm stepping into brighter days. No more hiding, no more fear. The light inside is shining clear. Every heartbeat leads me on, a stronger soul where I belong. Break out, let your spirit fly. Touch the stars across the sky. Leave the darkness far behind. Freedom starts within your mind. Break out, sing a brand new song. Every heart can still grow strong. Love will guide us all the way to a brighter, better day. nationwide. Keep your faith like a burning flame. Tomorrow never stays the same. Hand in hand we'll stand as one. Together we are never done. Through the storm we'll find the light, turning every wrong to right. No chains, no walls, no fear today. Hope is leading every step we take, with kindness growing everywhere. We build a future bright and fair. Break out, let your spirit fly. Touch the stars across the sky. Leave the darkness far behind. Freedom starts within your mind. Break out, sing a brand new song. Every heart can still grow strong. Love will guide us all the way to a brighter, better day. Break out, keep the fire burning bright. Break out, walking into morning light. Break out, every dream can find its way. One love, one heart, a brighter day. So na 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 na. Oh yeah, na 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 na. Sun goes down, the lights come alive. Island rhythm keeps the dream alive. Friendly faces, laughter in the air. Music and good vibes everywhere. Every heartbeat finds the groove. Every soul begins to move under stars that softly glow. This is where our spirits grow. Leave your worries at the door. Tonight we're asking nothing more. Just a smile and open mind. Peace and joy are what you'll find. Welcome to Club Paradise, where every moment feels so nice. One love shining through the night. Hearts together, spirits bright. Welcome to Club Paradise. Feel the rhythm, free your mind. Dance beneath the moonlit skies. Love is all you'll ever find. Oh na 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 na. Oh na na. Friends are singing side by side. Ocean breeze becomes our guide. Every melody takes flight, filling every heart with light. Good vibrations never fade. Beautiful memories are made. Hand in hand we celebrate, sharing hope instead of hate. Raise your voice, let freedom sing. Joy is such a simple thing. Every step and every smile makes this journey all worthwhile. Welcome to Club Paradise. Every dream can come alive. Feel the reggae in your soul. Let the chasing shadows in the night, trying to hold what wasn't right, running circles, losing sleep, searching for promises I couldn't keep. Then I heard the morning breeze whisper softly through the trees, free your heart and let it fly. Don't let love become a lie. Take a breath, release the pain. Sunshine always comes again. Peace is waiting by your side. Leave the heavy load behind. Obsession, I won't let you rule my mind. I'm leaving all those chains behind. Love should lift and set us free, not steal the best of me. Obsession, I choose a brighter way. One love will guide my heart today. Every sunrise paints the sea, teaching what true love should be. Patient, gentle, calm and kind, never trapping heart or mind. Now my soul can freely sing. Joy is found in simple things, walking forward, standing tall. Love was never meant to fall. No more fear, no more disguise. Truth is shining in my eyes. Roots grow deeper when we're free. That's the life that's meant for me. Obsession, I won't let you rule my mind. I'm leaving all those chains behind. Love should lift and set us free, not steal the best of me. Obsession, I choose a brighter way. One love will guide my heart today. Oh. The window, the window, the window. Yeah. Oh. The wind keeps singing through the trees, carrying hope upon the breeze. With a grateful heart and open sky, I'll live in peace until I die. One love, one soul, one destiny. That's the freedom waiting for me. Oh, na, 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 na. When the gray clouds fill the sky, I don't have to wonder why. Every raindrop sings my name. Nothing ever feels the same. Wash away the dust and pain. Life begins with gentle rain. Every a little soon. Hear the rhythm on the roof. Nature's song is living proof. Every drop has joy to bring. Listen close and hear it sing. I really love the rain, falling down again and again, cooling every weary soul, making broken spirits whole. I really love the rain, dancing free without a chain. Every shower, every breeze brings my heart its melody. Feels awake and fresh and green. Prettiest I've ever seen. Prettiest I've ever seen. Rivers laugh and flowers bloom, filling every empty room. Standing barefoot in the light, watching day turn into night. Every drop reminds me still. Peace is found when hearts are still. Let it fall upon the land like a blessing close at hand. Every storm will pass away, leaving hope for brighter days. I really love the rain, falling down again and again, cooling every weary soul, making broken spirits whole. Oh, I really love the rain, dancing free without a chain. Every shower, every breeze brings my heart its melody. Rain keeps falling soft and slow, helping every garden grow. With every drop my spirit sings, thankful for the life it brings. I really love the rain, forever dancing with the rain. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Roots woman, God bless your soul. Yeah. She watered she walks with the sunrise shining in her eyes, carrying hope beneath the endless skies. Every little smile is a healing song, teaching every heart where love belongs. She plants good seeds in the morning light, turning every struggle into something bright. With gentle hands and a fearless soul, she reminds the world that love makes us whole. Oh, roots woman, don't lose your way. all the while. Every child hears the songs you sing, simple words with a joyful ring. You lift up dreams when the days are gray, showing kindness in your own sweet way. Like the rivers flow into the sea, you remind us all to live free. One love growing hand in hand, building tomorrow across the land. Let the drums beat slow tonight, fill the air with truth and light. Raise your voice, let the good vibes run. Together we shine beneath one sun. Roots woman, keeper of hope till the day is done. Oh, roots woman, your spirit glows like a rising sun. From every mountain to every shore, your message of love lives forevermore. Roots woman, one love, one heart. Roots woman, Jah guide your journey. Roots woman, fade away. Na, 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 na. Sooner or later, yeah. Na, 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 na. Sooner or later, the morning comes with golden light, chasing away the longest night. Every road may twist and bend, but hope is waiting in the end. Every seed beneath the ground grows in silence without a sound. Patient hearts will always see life becomes what it can be. Hold on through the wind and rain, every lesson brings us gain. Keep your spirit standing tall, love will answer every call. Sooner or later, the sun will shine. Every mountain has a time to climb. Sooner or later, dreams come true. If you believe in what you do, sooner or later, we'll sing as one, dancing together beneath the sun. Hand in hand, we'll find our way, brighter than yesterday. Like the ocean meets the shore, somewhere. When the clouds begin to fade, see the colors they have made. Every heartbeat keeps the song, reminding us we all belong. No need to rush, no need to fear. Your brightest days are drawing near. Step by step, with faith and grace, love will always find its place. Sooner or later, the sun will shine. Every mountain has a time to climb. Sooner or later, dreams come true. If you believe in what you do, sooner or later, we'll sing as one, dancing together beneath the sun. Hand in hand, we'll find our way, brighter than yesterday. Na, 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 na. Sooner or later, love will lead the way. Oh yeah. Rise up, feel the sunshine. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Rise up, feel the sunshine. A little laughter, a little song can help a weary heart move on. The morning paints the hills in gold, with stories waiting to unfold. Every blessing starts as a seed, growing from a simple deed. Share your light wherever you roam. Love can make the world a home. When the clouds begin to fall, hope will answer every call. Stand together, hand in hand, like the waves that kiss the sand. Oh, tomorrow is a smile. Stay with love a little while. Every sunrise brings a chance. Every heartbeat starts a dance. Let the good vibes fill the air. Show the world that we still care. Keep the music running free. That's the way life's meant to be. night is gone. Roads may twist and rivers may bend, still we rise and begin again. Every face has a story to tell, through peaceful days and storms as well. Hand in hand we can stand so strong, finding hope where we all belong. Don't let fear steal your light away. Keep your spirit bright each day. Every step is a brand new start. Carry love